Capricorn, December 22, January 19. I repeat, December 22 to January 19. The Capricorns are represented by crocodile. This crocodile has the face of a deer. This sign is a sign which in the present world and in the present scheme of things, they are very successful. They are expert in the art of blackmailing, and as crocodiles have crocodile tears, the Capricorns, when time requires, can shed crocodile tears to achieve their objectives. So a sign which is very successful in the present scheme of things, but we need to understand that this sign has a lot of depth, and to achieve its objective it can go to limits whichever is possible, right from shedding false tears to a very quick action mode. The year 2013 for Capricorns. This is a year when the Capricorns till June 2013 would be very successful in dealing with enemies. They would be very successful in litigations. So very good period for politicians, lawyers who are dealing with enemies or with litigations. This is a period when they would be victorious in litigations. They will also be able to give crushing defeats to their enemies. They will be very competitive. They will be able to score extremely well in competition and competitive exams. Also, those who are Capricorns and are in the area of sports will also do extremely well this year, and especially till June 2013. After June 2013, the Capricorns will be able to expand their businesses. They will be able to do very well in partnerships. They will be able to do very well in nurturing their relationships and taking advantage of that, both in terms of gains as well as in terms of contacts. Therefore, the year 2013 for Capricorn is a very good year. Till June 2013, it is winning in litigation, it is winning over enemies, it is planning competitive things, going ahead in competition, winning there, and after June 2013, it is expanding the area of operation, the area of business, and the area of relationships. After June 2013, it is also a period when Capricorns can get engaged, married, or get into relationships. So the year 2013 for Capricorns is a year which is a good year, and they will be able to expand themselves in a very productive way. However, the only place where they should be cautious is that while it's a good year, that is the year 2013 is a good year where you are competitive and you are able to use that competitive edge in expanding your businesses and your horizons. It also shows that you have to be extremely careful while booking your gains. It is possible that you may be able to make gains, but the gains get filtered away. That is, the advantages are taken by other people. Also, it is important that you should ensure that your aspirations are met completely. That is, it should not happen that you work hard from the beginning of the year till October, November, and by November you feel that you only get 60% or 70% of what you thought you should get. So, the word of caution is that in achieving your personal aspirations, ensure that you plan well. Also ensure that whatever gains, both in material and in non-material ways, are booked by you properly. By this, I end for the year 2013 for Capricorns and wishing you all the best.